Remember those school days? Cramming facts just to pass an exam? That's the lowest level of learning, according to Bloom's taxonomy. It's a framework educators use, a ladder of learning, starting from just remembering facts, all the way up to creating something entirely new. But now, there's a new player in the classroom: artificial intelligence. Is AI a cheat code that lets us skip the climb? Or is it a powerful tool to help us reach the top faster? Let's find out. For decades, Bloom's taxonomy has been the gold standard for understanding how we learn. It's a 6-level pyramid. The bottom we have remembering, just recalling facts. Think memorizing multiplication tables. Next is understanding, explaining ideas in your own words. Then comes applying, using that knowledge in a new situation, like using your math skills to budget for a trip. After that, we get to the higher order thinking skills. Analyzing, which is breaking down information to explore relationships. Evaluating, which involves making judgments and defending opinions. And at the very peak, creating, putting elements together to form a new, original whole. This is where real innovation happens. So where does AI fit into this? Let's start at the bottom of the pyramid. For remembering and understanding, AI is like a superpowered encyclopedia. Need a quick summary of the French Revolution or an explanation of photosynthesis? AI can deliver it in seconds, can generate flashcards, create quizzes, and explain complex topics in simple terms. It's an incredible assistant for building that foundational knowledge, freeing up our brains from the tedious work of pure memorization. Moving up to applying and analyzing, AI gets even more interesting. Imagine you're learning to code. You could ask an AI to generate practice problems based on a concept you've just learned. Or if you're analyzing a poem for English class, you could ask AI to identify all the metaphors and similes, which you can then explore more deeply. For example, you could feed a business case study to an AI and ask it to analyze the company's strengths and weaknesses. It's like having a tireless research assistant who can sift through data and spot patterns we might miss. But what about the top of the pyramid? Evaluating and creating. This is where many people get nervous. Can AI have an opinion? Can it truly be creative? Well, not in the human sense. When you ask AI to evaluate something, it's not sharing a personal belief. It's synthesizing vast amounts of existing human opinions and data to construct a balanced argument. You could ask it to argue for and against a certain policy, giving you a comprehensive view of the debate. This forces you to engage with different perspectives and strengthen your own evaluation skills. And for creating, this is the most exciting part. AI is not here to replace our creativity. It's here to augment it. Think of it as the ultimate brainstorming partner. A musician could ask an AI for a chord progression to kickstart a new song. A writer could get a few plot ideas to overcome writer's block. A designer could generate a dozen logo concepts in a minute. For instance, I could say, give me an idea for a YouTube video about the history of pizza. But in the style of a pirate adventure, AI provides the spark, the raw material, but it's the human who provides the vision, the context, and the final creative touch to turn that spark into a masterpiece. So AI isn't destroying Bloom's taxonomy, it's turbocharging it. It automates the lower-level tasks so we can spend more time on what truly matters: critical thinking, deep analysis, and unique creation. The goal isn't just to know things, it's to be able to do things with what you know. By handling the remembering and understanding, AI pushes us up the ladder. It challenges us to ask better questions, to evaluate information more critically, and to create in ways we never thought possible. The future of learning isn't AI versus humans. It's humans and AI climbing the ladder of knowledge together. Thanks for watching. If this sparked any new ideas for you? Hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.